Okay, a very good afternoon to all of you. I have put all of your mics in mute, so please do not unmute your mics until you are told, because it will create some disturbance. So if there is a query, questions, I'll invite you. There will be participation by all of us, and I will be inviting you all, if not all, at least maximum of you for participation. So we'll do that. But in the meantime, please keep your mics on mute. So that's that. Now, yesterday we had started with language sessions. I think we could get the introduction. We could get to know how to introduce oneself. We had seen some of the expression, basically some of the sentences that you can use while introducing yourself, right? So make sure that you have, let's say, 5, 6 sentences that you can use while talking about yourself, right? Now, Nisar, Alam, and other students are requesting for any other language than English, which is like, sir, Hindi mein boliye, yeah. I think there could be some similar requests by Gujarati students. But Nisar, Alam, and other students, I know, yeah, for some it will be okay, for others it will not be okay. But I know, Nisar, it will be difficult for some of you initially, but trust me, if you struggle a bit, if you try a bit, I'm sure you will be comfortable gradually. वो आराम से धीरे धीरे होगा, आसान नहीं होगा आपके लिए भी, हमारे लिए भी, बट यू हैव टू ट्राई एंड ट्रस्ट मी, इफ यू विल ट्राई, आप देखोगे कि आप जहाँ थे वहां से कैसे आपका डेवलपमेंट होगा, है ना? तो ये जो स्टैटिस्टिक दिया जा रहा है कि सर 30-70 रखिए या 40-70 रखिए, see, Deepak Anand, Nisar Alam, all those students who are requesting for a bit of Hindi, a bit of Gujarati, that formula would not work. वो ऐसे नहीं होता है. जब से आप जगते हो तब सुबह हो जाती है, right? The moment you wake up, that's the morning for you. So if you start from day one, I can help you in a way. I can repeat. I'll speak slightly slower. This is not the normal pace or speed with which I speak. My speed is a bit faster in other classes. If it is, let's say, international students, if it is like master degree class or let's say PhD class, so then my language, my examples would be different, right? Uh, so that's my request to all of you. You also try a bit. I'll also slower a bit, and in between we'll meet, Hana. And if you do it in your first semester to struggle and to get over your say language barrier, English language barrier, trust me, you will be a different person. I know it will be challenging for some of you, but trust me, you will be a different person with the English language acquisition, right? How to do that? Of course, we are here and we'll try and help you in whatever ways we can. Okay? So try your best, and in between, we'll try and meet somewhere. Okay? So Deepak, Nisar, and other students, those who are requesting, let's try and understand. If you don't understand anything, then you can ask me. I'll repeat. I don't mind repeating one more time. But I think your English is not that bad. You will be able to understand, and I'm sure you will be able to cope up with the language barrier. All right. So let's try. Okay, so we were talking about introduction, how to introduce yourself. We learned yesterday. We tried, some of you tried, and I think the learning was good. Now, what we are going to have is another activity today. So what I'm going to give you is, I think yesterday somebody requested that, sir, vocabulary, that is words, are the issue. So what we are going to have today is the fun activity. We are going to say do a very simple activity where I want all of you to participate, right? You just need to do basic activity. What is this basic activity? I'll show you how to do it, and then I want all of you to participate. Now, before that, all of you know that words are having different categories. All these words and their categories is what we are going to discuss. But before that, this is the learning outcome. This is what we want. I'm trying to boost your vocabulary, that is your words. How many words do you know? I'll try and help you with, first of all, identifying the words that you already know, right? And then we'll try and understand some more words with each other's help, right? So I think some of the students will also help me. I'll also try and help some of you. And in between, I'm sure we'll get to know, say, more words, and I'm sure it will help you. Hana? So first of all, you need to know words, right? So beginners would say, sir, words nahi milte, right? At the right place, right time, I don't get the right word. I know the entire sentence, बट ये एक वर्ड पता नहीं है, इसका अंग्रेजी पता नहीं है, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम फेसिंग प्रॉब्लम, है ना. सो दैट्स द बेसिक वन. So deliberately I chose this session wherein we are going to talk about words only. My medium of instruction will be English, but trust me, if you just pay attention, you will get to know gradually. It will not be easy, as I said, but together we can reach to a comfortable level, right? So that is my intention. So let's try. So we are talking about words. When we talk about words, there are basically two kinds of words that we want to discuss today, right? First of all, names. The things that you can see around you, all those things are having certain names. Like all the students in my class, they have their names, right? So we have Nisar, we have Vivek, we have Jigar, we have Prakash. All these are names that you are given. Then there are certain other names that are given to you as say individuals. For example, boy, for example, girl, for example, student. So all these are also names of people. So as the word says, it is the names of person, place or thing. है ना? All the things that you can see around you, they have their names, right? So for example, I have a thing. You see this thing? It has a name. What is it called? A pen, right? And then I have things. I have a water bottle, right? So it is a thing and it has a name. Similarly, all the things that you see around you, right, will have a name, right? So that's one category of word, है ना? जितनी भी चीजें आपके आसपास हैं, उनके सबके नाम है. वो चाहे चीजें हैं, चाहे पीपल हैं, चाहे प्लेसेस है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल बिहार. सो बिहार इज अ नेम ऑफ अ स्टेट. गुजरात इज अ नेम ऑफ अ स्टेट, है ना? सेम वे यू से पटना, यू से राजकोट, दीज आर ऑल्सो नेम्स, काइंड ऑफ नेम्स, है ना? सो दीज आर द नेम्स ऑफ पर्सन, प्लेस एंड थिंग. ये हुई एक कैटेगरी. देन वी हैव अ सेकंड कैटेगरी. व्हाट डू यू डू विद दीज थिंग्स? हम चीजें जो है उससे कुछ करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ आई हैव अ पेन, उससे क्या करता हूं मैं? आई राइट विद द पेन, है ना? आई राइट विद द पेन, ठीक है? आई कैन स्क्रैच ऑल्सो. सो ये जो पेन है वो एक चीज है. व्हाट आई डिड विद द पेन? आई यूज इट. हाउ डू आई यूज इट? आइदर बाय राइटिंग इट और बाय स्क्रैचिंग इट, है ना? सो एक्शन वर्ड जो हैं वो बताते हैं कि हम चीजों के साथ क्या करते हैं, है ना? सो दैट इज फॉर एग्जाम्पल अ प्लेस है बिहार, फॉर एग्जाम्पल. सो हम बिहार के साथ क्या कर सकते हैं? वी कैन विजिट बिहार, है ना? सो मैं बिहार की विजिट करता हूं, तो विजिट इज अ वर्ब, ठीक है? सो दैट्स व्हाट वी कॉल थिंग्स दैट वी डू, राइट, with the say things that are around you, right? So that's there. So let's say if I have a book. So book is a noun. इस चीज का नाम क्या है? बुक है. इस बुक का मैं क्या करता हूं? आई रीड, ठीक है? सो दैट्स द पेयर दैट आई हैव, अ थिंग दैट आई हैव एंड व्हाट आई डू विद दैट थिंग. As simple as this. Now, what I want all of you to do is one by one to show me one object that is around you. आपके आसपास जो भी चीज है वो एक चीज मुझे बताइए, ठीक है? और ये भी बताइए what do you do with that thing. So that will be today's activity. I want you to show me an object that is around you. I already give you a demonstration. I show you a pen. इसके साथ मैं क्या करता हूँ? I write with the pen. ठीक है? So these are two words that I gave you. I give you another example. I have a book. What do I do with the book? I read the book, or maybe I write in the book. ठीक है? So these are two examples I gave you. I can give you more examples, but I think you understood this, right? So now I'll be calling you one by one, and I want all of you to show me one object. आपका वीडियो ऑन रखिए, फिर आपका जो चीज आपने बतानी है, you show it to me, and then tell me what do you do with that thing. Possible? है ना? So that I want all of you to try. ठीक है? डरिए मत, घबराइए मत. जैसा भी आपको आता है, जितना भी आपको पता चलता है, give it a try. अगर गलत होता है तो हम उससे सीखेंगे. अगर शेयर नहीं करेंगे तो हमारी गलती शेयर नहीं होगी, है ना? So good thing about classroom activity is that from your mistake other people will learn, and from others mistake you will learn. Before we start the activity, I want to make one thing very clear. हमारा जो इंटेंशन है इज नॉट टू मेक फन ऑफ एनीबडी. किसी की अंग्रेजी अच्छी होगी, किसी की ठीक ठाक होगी, किसी की शायद बहुत खराब होगी, पॉसिबल. बट आवर इंटेंशन इज नॉट टू मेक फन ऑफ एनीबडी. हम किसी का मजाक उड़ाना नहीं चाहते हैं. हम चाहते हैं कि हम सीखें. राइट। हमारी गलतियों से हमारे दोस्त सीखे, हमारे दोस्त की गलती से हम सीखें, राइट। तो ये दो चीजों जो हैं हमने सीखनी है। पॉसिबल? सो दैट आई वांट ऑल ऑफ यू टू ट्राई, right? So those who are playing with the screen, don't do that, because if I'll put it in the disciplinary thing, so it will be a problem. Don't play with this screen, those who are doing it, right? So please don't do that. Make sure that you participate when your turn comes. Okay, chali. So now I want all of you to try. You don't need to write anything in the chat box. I just want you to participate. I'll be calling you. You don't need to raise your hand. I'll be calling you randomly, according to the list that I have, and I want all of you to come forward, unmute your mic, then show me the video should be on, and then you show me an object, है ना? आपकी स्क्रीन दिखा के आपके आसपास जो भी एक चीज आपको दिखती है जो आप बता सकते हो, है ना? यू शो मी दैट ऑब्जेक्ट एंड फिर व्हाट डू यू डू विद दैट ऑब्जेक्ट। हो सकता है ना? कैन यू ट्राई ऑल ऑफ यू? ठीक है। सो आई विल बी कॉलिंग यू वन बाय वन। आपने सभी ने म्यूट एक साथ नहीं करना है। जिसको मैं नाम लेता हूं, दैट पर्सन will mute himself or herself, and then he or she will show us one object, and then also will try and tell us what he or she does with that object. Okay, so that I want all of you to try. So let's give it a try. Others, listen carefully. Those whose turn will come will participate. Okay, so I want, let's say first of all, Jigar. Do we have Jigar James? Jigar James?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Jigar. Can you show me your say video? Yes, Jigar James.
Yes.
I can't see you. Yes, Jigar, I can see you. Okay, show me one object. Okay, what is it?
So, sir, here I have the headphone.
Okay.
It's a headphone.
Okay. What do you do
and
with the
I
headphones?
use it for the online. Mostly I use it for movies or songs, but nowadays I use this for the online sessions.
Online session is a noun. वो भी चीज है ना? हेडफोन भी चीज है।
Okay, sir.
आप क्या करते हो हेडफोन से? What do you do? What's the action that you do with the headphones?
I listen songs.
Yes. So that's the word, listen, है ना? So object हुआ headphone, activity हुई listening. ठीक है? So ये दो चीजें हैं, दो word that Jigar gave us. One, headphone, चीज का नाम है headphone. Headphone से क्या करता है Jigar? He listens, right? So these are two words that Jigar gave us, right? Thank you, Jigar. That was a good participation. Now you can mute yourself.
Thank you, sir.
Sure, thank you. Now we have Punit. Do we have Punit?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Punit, you can unmute yourself. Punit ji, show me one object. एक चीज दिखाइए आप मुझे.
Sir,
That is in your room. कोई भी चीज. Show me one thing, like pen or book or anything. आपके पास जो भी चीज है, एक चीज दिखाइए मुझे. Yes. ये क्या चीज है पुनीत?
book.
जी, तो पुनीत का वर्ड हुआ बुक. और पुनीत क्या करता है बुक से?
Read.
You read. Very good. So ऑब्जेक्ट हुआ बुक, एक्टिविटी हुई रीड, है ना? तो ये नोटबुक है कि बुक है?
नोटबुक है.
हाँ, तो नोटबुक पढ़ते हो कि नोटबुक में लिखते हो?
पढ़ते हैं.
अच्छा, तो लिखोगे नहीं तो पढ़ोगे कैसे नोटबुक में, बताओ?
I write writing.
है ना पुनीत? तो उसमें लिख भी सकते हैं और लिखने के बाद पढ़ भी सकते हैं. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
है ना? ठीक है. सो पुनीत का वर्ड हुआ बुक. और पुनीत क्या करता है बुक से? वो पढ़ता है या लिखता है. सो आइदर ही इज रीडिंग, फर्स्ट ऑफ कोर्स ही इज राइटिंग, बिकॉज इट्स अ नोटबुक. नोटबुक ब्लैंक होती है ना? बिहार का पता नहीं, हमारे गुजरात में नोटबुक ब्लैंक मिलती है, लिखी हुई नहीं मिलती है. वहां कैसे मिलती है?
जी सर.
लिखी हुई मिलती है कि ब्लैंक मिलती है? है ना? ब्लैंक
लिखी
होती है
हुई.
ना? लिखी हुई मिलती है. फिर तो मुझे बिहार आना पड़ेगा, है ना? वो तो ब्लैंक होती है, इसलिए तो उसको नोटबुक बोलते हैं. उसमें आपने नोट्स लिखने होते हैं. ठीक है? सो दैट विल बी अ नोटबुक वेयर यू राइट. ठीक है? एंड आफ्टर राइटिंग यू कैन रीड आल्सो. ठीक है पुनीत? सो दैट वाज पुनीत विथ अस. थैंक यू पुनीत. आफ्टर पुनीत आई कुड सी Vanshita Parmar. Are you there? Vanshita Parmar.
Yes, sir.
Ji, Vanshita, can you unmute yourself? Yes, Vanshita Parmar.
Sir, I have a scale in my hand.
Okay, I can't see your face. Where are you, Vanshika? Okay, Rakesh Jha, if you can come indoor because your turn has not come, Rakesh. Once your turn would come, you can show me your object. Right now, Vanshika, where are you, Vanshika? Yes, Vanshika. What do you have? What's the object?
I have a scale in my hand. With this, I can measure anything.
Okay, she can measure. So to measure is a verb. Activity क्या होती है? आप उसका नाप ले सकते हो. You can measure with the scale. Yes, girls
Yes.
are usually studious, so they do this. Boys do different things with it. You know, they fight with it. Teachers do different things with it. They beat the students. Online ये हो नहीं सकता, so I have to measure it only. है ना? So thank you, Vansika. That was her object, a scale. What she does with the scale? See, measure. So that's a word. Wonderful, Vanshika. Yes, next to Vansika, I have Rakesh. Rakesh Jha. Rakesh Jha. Are you there, Rakesh Jha?
राकेश झा किससे राकेश था?
Rakesh Jha. Rakesh Jha, are you there? Rakesh Kumar. Okay, there is Rakesh Kumar Shah also, right?
यस सर.
जी, तो show me your video. आपका वीडियो ऑन करिए. जी, so Rakesh Kumar, what is your object? One object. What is it? Unmute yourself, Rakesh. I'm not able to listen to you. Unmute करिए आपको.
यस सर.
हाँ जी. So what is your object?
सर कॉपी पेन.
ठीक है.
Notebook.
It's a pen.
Pen.
देखिए एक object है pen. What do you do with the pen?
सर राइट. I am right
Yes.
book.
Yes. Yes. You can write with your pen in the book, of course.
Yes.
दीवार पे तो नहीं लिखते हो ना?
नहीं सर.
हाँ, दीवार पे मत लिखना. ओके, बेंच पर भी मत लिखना.
यस.
सिर्फ बुक में लिखना.
ओके.
ठीक है.
नोटबुक.
So, yes, in the notebook only. So wonderful. So Rakesh told us a pen and he writes with the pen. So good example. Chali. So next to Rakesh we have,
थैंक यू सर.
sure. Who's next? I could see Divyaraj. Divyaraj, are you there? Divyaraj? Divyaraj, can you listen to me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Diviraj, if you can show me the object, you have to use the video webcam that you have or cell phone you have.
Cell phone. Exactly, sir. I've started to. Hello.
Yes, I'm listening.
Can I audible?
You are audible. Tell me where is your video, if you can.
Video. Yes. Okay.
Yes,
Let me.
I can't see you. Yes, Diviraj, now I can see you. So please tell me one object that you have.
Nearly, I'm sitting in my room.
Okay, so one object, any one object that you see around you that you can easily show us.
1 minute.
Yep. So in the meantime, all of you, please keep one object handy with you so that we can save our time. I'll be calling you randomly, anybody. You just must have one object with you, preferably new objects, because pen, books, we have already collected and covered, headphones, right? So some new object that you see around you, some new usage also, we'll discover. Yes, Diviraj.
I have my earphones
Yes,
and some
earphone.
paper.
Yes, so what do you do with the earphones?
Earphones are mostly used for the listening.
Okay, what are the
And,
other
paper.
usages? Diviraj,
Uh,
what? It's mostly or only?
it's mostly.
So what are the other usage of headphones?
Headphones for I used to listen musics
And
while playing games.
but basically listening only, right?
Yes,
Yes. So there is only one thing that you can do with the headphones, that is listen, right?
listening. Yes, sure.
Yes. With papers, you can do couple of things. For example, one is, what do you do with the papers?
For writing purposes,
That's one. Yes.
for making origamis.
Yes. You can make an aeroplane also. That's true. That's true.
Yes, yes.
Wonderful. What else
And
do you?
while drawing something
Okay.
and
Good. Good. So
many
you can.
more things, but I
Yeah,
usually do these more things.
Yes, so you can write on a piece of paper, you can make an aeroplane or an origami, right? So these are things
Yes,
that you do with the paper, right? You can cover the
yes, yes.
window also. For example, if you have a window like this, which is a huge one, and there is a sunlight that is coming, so you can use the paper to cover also, isn't it? So there are many,
Sure.
say, purpose of a paper. But Diviraj shared with us two objects, one headphone, one piece of paper. So thank you, Diviraj.
Oh,
That was Diviraj with
oh,
us. Chali. So next to
okay.
Diviraj, we have,
Can I unmute, sir?
yes, please mute yourself. Thank you. Okay, so
Okay.
next we have Jai. Jai Dobaria. Jai, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Jai. If you can show me one object and one you said that you do with it. Any one object that's around you.
Wait a minute, sir.
Yeah. Don't make us wait because there are 30 students waiting for us. Right? So Jai, don't pass.
Yes, sir.
I'm not the only
Sir,
one
I have a
waiting.
cushion.
What do you have?
Cushion. Pillow.
Cushion. Okay, cushion. Yes. And what do you do with the cushion?
I kept it with me so I get a better sleep at
Okay.
night.
So you can rest on your pillow, right? So you can take rest
No,
on
I'm
it.
not putting it back at my head. I'm
Okay.
just taking it with me.
Okay, so you hug.
Yes.
So there are certain words for hugging. One is to hug. Another is cuddle. You know the cuddle? It's a
Yes,
verb.
sir.
Cuddle. Cuddle is what you do with a
Yes, sir.
puppy or a pillow. You like it, so you are holding it close to you, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Loving it more.
yes, so hug, cuddle, right? So all these are things that you do with your pillow, right? So pillow
Yes.
and cushion are same, right? Jay?
Yes, sir.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
Then why do we have two
Means,
words?
sir, pillow and cushion is that round cylinder type.
So pillow is cylindrical and pillow is what? Rectangle.
Cushion. Yeah.
Okay, cushion is rectangle or square.
Square.
And pillow is
Pillow is that
cylindrical.
cylinder one.
Achha,
Cylindrical one.
who taught you this? Or
That's,
it's your guess? It's your guess.
yes, it's my guess. Yes.
Okay. That's not the case, Vacha. Pillows could be cylindrical, pillows could be, but usually it's a bigger in size pillow. Cushions
Yes.
would be usually smaller in size and usually square.
Okay,
Right?
sir.
So they are used with the
Yes, sir.
sofa and other things. So that's the thin line difference. They are softer and smaller. Cushion would be softer and smaller. If you notice in the
Yes, sir.
car, usually at the headrest, what you have is cushion.
Yes.
Because it's a small in size. So that's the thin line difference, right? So that's that.
Okay.
So thank you, Jai, for new word that you shared with us. So next to Jai, I think we have, okay, Janisa. Do we have Janisa? Yes, Janisa Patel.
Yes, sir. Good
Yes,
afternoon.
Good afternoon, Janisa. So did you ask your parents the meaning of your name? Or did you ask Google?
Yes, sir.
So what does it mean?
I asked Google.
And what did Google say?
A God of gracious.
God of?
God of gracious.
And what is gracious?
Gracious.
What is gracious?
I think the mountain areas are called gracious.
You should do more research on your name. First of all, the spelling, for example. It's
Yeah.
an Arabic word, that much I can tell you. Zenisa is an Arabic
Okay.
word, right?
Sure.
So that there are two,
Okay,
male
okay.
version is Zenis and female version is Zenisa.
Yeah.
So search and I'm sure you'll
Yeah.
find something interesting. First discovery would be it's not J, it's Z, right? So that's that. Anyway, so that's your homework, your name, your problem. Our problem is an object that you will show us. So show us one object.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you can show the video and show one
Sir,
object.
I have my
Yes, go ahead.
sir. I have spectacles.
Okay.
I have my spectacles. I use
Okay.
it for watching of clear version.
Okay. Okay. So watch is your verb, right? You watch.
No, watching is a verb and
Yeah.
spectacle is a noun.
That's true. That's true. So you watch television also.
Yep.
So what's the difference between watching television and watching through spectacles? Is it the same? Do you see the problem?
Yeah, maybe.
Right? You see with the spectacles, you see clearly, as you said,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So do
yeah.
you notice two different
Yeah.
words, see and watch, and there's third
Yeah,
also
I
called
watch.
look
Yeah.
and look also.
Yeah.
Are they
Yeah,
same?
sir.
Are they same? Look, watch,
No,
and see.
they are different.
Yeah. So what is
No,
different?
they are different.
How are they different?
Watch. Watch means we are concentrating on the same thing, like
Okay.
which is already done perfectly.
Okay.
Then
Okay. See is imperfect, is it?
yeah,
So watch is perfect, see is imperfect. Is it the
it's
case?
imperfect. Yeah,
अच्छा ऐसा कौन पढ़ाता है जनीसा जी आपको?
maybe.
हाँ तो ये ठीक है, मे बी किसी ने पढ़ाया तो नहीं ना आपको ऐसा?
No.
हाँ जब हम पढ़ते थे
It's
ऐसा कोई नहीं
just
पढ़ाता
a
था.
guess.
इट्स अ गैस, है ना? तो उसके लिए होता है आई थिंक, दैट इज
Yeah.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है. व्हाट इज द एक्सप्रेशन फॉर
Yeah.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है? आई थिंक, है ना? So
I
that's your,
think.
yeah, so that's your guess. That's your guess. Now, please understand there are three words and there are three applications of these three different words. That is, watch is usually a fixed screen, not perfect or imperfect, but a screen. For example, a television. For example, a fixed
Okay.
area. है ना? Cricket match is what you watch. Now, वो TV पे नहीं हो सकता.
Yeah.
आप, even if you are in the audience, what you are doing? You are watching a match, tennis or cricket. क्यों watch? Because the area that you are watching is confined, है ना? Playground. उसमें जो अंदर हो रहा है, that is what you are watching. ठीक है? So specific area, watch, right? When you
Okay.
see is like seeing something through it, right? So what you are doing is what you are seeing. There's another word like, let's say some students said, sir, I'm not very comfortable with English. Can you speak either in Hindi or at least slowly so that we can understand? Then I say, no, I'll not speak any other language than English because first, engineering is an English medium course. Second, if I'll speak in Hindi, your English will not improve. Third, if you practice, you can learn English. After explaining these things, students kahenge, oh, I see. You understand?
Yeah.
If I say, okay,
Yeah.
okay, if I say, what do you mean by this? Sir, ऐसा हुआ कि मैं late हो गया, है ना? And then I'll say, oh, I see. So did I see actually? Or I understood actually?
No, understood. Understood.
Yes. So when I use the word I see, I mean is I understand. Do you understand?
Understood.
So you
Yeah.
can say, oh, now I see.
Yeah.
So that means now you understand. So that's
Yeah.
that. It is also used for seeing somebody. For example, you say, oh, I saw you yesterday. मैंने आपको कल बाजार में
Yeah.
देखा था. So I saw you yesterday in the market. See का past tense होता है saw, है ना? So I saw you yesterday.
Yeah.
ठीक है? So that is also used for seeing
Yeah.
and also for understanding. Third, look. अब look कैसे use करते हो बताओ? Not only for Janisa, anybody who could answer. Look. What do you do when you look? It's a verb, right? Look is a verb.
When we stare something.
For example,
But say I am looking at the mirror. I am looking at the mirror.
Looking at. Looking at, right? So it's not just look, it is look at. There's a thin line. I'll just like,
I'm
okay,
very weak.
I'm showing you. Look at my cupboard.
Yeah.
This is my cupboard where I keep my extra books. So look at. So I'm not seeing, I'm showing. बता रहा हूँ आपको, देखिए, है ना? Look at this. So look is used for showing. One. Second, for example, Janisha, you look like a boy because of your hairstyle, because of your thing. You look. That means dikhna. है ना? You look happy today. You look sad today. Do you understand? So look is also the way you appear. Is also a second use of look. ठीक है? So that's what we use look for. Look जो होता है वो दिखने के, like वो कहेंगे you look like your father, you look like your mother. है
Yes,
ना?
sir.
आप अपने mother के जैसे दिखते हो, father के जैसे दिखते हो. That is दिखना is also look. That you look very happy, you look very fresh,
Yes.
you look very tired. So all these are also the words. So देखिए, what we are trying to understand, it's not only for Janisha, for all of us, to understand the words which are, I'm sure आप सबको पता था, look, watch, see, all of you knew these words, right? They are not new words for any of you.
Yeah.
What we understood new is the usage. कि अच्छा इसमें तो look ही आएगा, इसमें तो watch ही आएगा, इसमें see ही आएगा. So that is what you need to understand, not just new words, but also the words that you already know. है ना? So those words that we are trying to understand and we would be able to remember. ठीक है? So thank you, Janisa, for your participation. So
Yes.
next to Janisa, I could see somebody.
Thank you,
with,
sir.
most welcome, most welcome. I think we have somebody with 00. Who's this 00? Somebody has kept the name as 00.
Yes,
Who's
sir.
that?
Yes,
Who's
sir.
this? What's your name?
Sir, Pujan Donga.
Pujan, it's a wonderful name. You don't like your name?
Yeah, like na?
Do you like your
It's
name?
randomly, sir.
No, but then why do you put it random? You have a wonderful name. Keep a name as a user.
Okay, sir.
It seems you don't like your name.
Done, sir.
See, wonderful name you got, Pujan. है ना? बताओ
Yes.
पूजन क्या होता है, बताओ.
पूजन मतलब पूजा करनी होती है.
अच्छा, तो पूजा और पूजन एक ही होता है.
वो होता है ना, वो भक्ति
क्या
पूजन
होता
होता है वो सब.
अच्छा. So पूजन and पूजा are same, right? Meaning wise same, right?
हाँ, मीनिंग वाइज सेम है
ना? पूजा जो है वो फीमेल है, पूजन है वो मेल नेम है, ऐसा. बाकी सब ठीक है, ऐसा.
हाँ.
अच्छा, जरा गूगल करके देख लेना, है ना? So exact meaning of पूजन. It's a wonderful name, by the way. ठीक है पूजन, बताओ. What is your object? बताओ.
Sir, my object is a watch.
I can't see your watch.
One minute, sir.
Show me your watch. You don't like your watch also?
No, I like, but I think I
दिखाना नहीं
need
चाहते
to.
हैं. It's very secretive, ऐसा है. हम शेयर नहीं
नहीं
करते.
सर. सेटिंग करना पड़ेगा सर. अलाउ नहीं किया मैंने.
बताओ, थोड़ा अलाउ कर दीजिए हमको. भाई कोई पूजन से उसकी वॉच मांगेगा नहीं, ठीक है? उसकी फेवरेट वॉच है, कोई उससे मांगेगा नहीं. इट्स वेरी पर्सनल. ठीक है? नोबडी विल आस्क यू टू गिव योर वॉच. मैं भी नहीं मांगूंगा, ठीक है? अब बताओ कहाँ पर है. Yes, Pujan, do it fast, बच्चा. Seems Pujan is struggling to find the setting in the between. I think I should request somebody else. Okay, do we have Abhishek?
हेलो सर. सॉरी सर, वो डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया था.
हाँ, कौन डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया था?
पूजन
जी, बताओ. Where is your video? I can't see you. Yes. ठीक है. So Pujan, what's your object?
My object is watch.
Okay. It's a wristwatch. What do you do with the wristwatch?
It displays time.
So you see time, right? है ना?
Yes.
उसमें time देखते हो, ठीक है. So that's your object. Okay, so thank you, Poojan. After Poojan, we have Abhishek. Do we have Abhishek in the class? Abhishek Raj?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, Abhishek. What's your object? Show me your object.
Sir, my object is newspaper.
दिख नहीं रहा है, बताओ कहाँ पर है? बैठे
Sir,
हो कि
there.
सो रहे हो? हाँ जी, मिल
Sir,
गया।
I'm sitting.
ठीक है, ठीक है. So ये है आपका न्यूज़पेपर. So बताओ, what do you
Yes,
do with
sir.
the newspaper?
Sir, reading about news all.
ठीक है. So I read newspaper. You can fan also.
I read newspaper. Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. You can fan also. You know fan. So that's
Yes,
as a
sir.
verb, right? So you can read newspaper. You can fan it, fan with it. So these are the things that you can do. ठीक है. चलिए. Very quickly, if somebody else can show me. Who's next? I don't know. We have after Abhishek, we have Vanshita Parmar. Are you there? Vanshita, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Vanshita. Fatafat, show us one object that you have around you, and what do you do with that object?
Sir, I have mobile phone with me.
Okay, and what do you do with the mobile phone?
I use in different uses of Google, sometimes online classes, listening music, entertainment.
Okay, so only one verb I found, listen, because Google is not verb, right? Online class is not verb. Listening is verb. You listen, let's say songs. Fine, that's one usage.
I listen.
What do you do in Google? What activity? You search.
search.
Yes, that's the verb. What do you do? Activity क्या है? Search. So that's one activity. Wonderful. What else?
I click photos.
You click photos. Yes. Or you snap. Or you take photograph. That's true. That's true. So you search. You listen. You snap. You take photographs. All these are the activities you do with the cell phone. You can scan also.
Yes,
you know,
sir.
barcode. You scan the barcode. So all these are the activities that you do with the cell phone because it's a multi-purpose device, isn't it?
Bank purpose.
Yes, yes.
Bank purpose.
Yes. So what do you, bank again is a noun. Bank में क्या करते हो self से? Activity क्या करते हो बताओ?
Balance. Internet banking.
बच्चा ये सारे नाम है बताओ समझो आप. बैंक नाम है, इंटरनेट बैंक नाम है, ठीक है. बैलेंस नाम है. बैलेंस की क्या करते हो? इंक्वायरी. इंक्वायरी. सो इंक्वायरी वर्ब हुआ, सी वर्ब हुआ, एक्टिविटी हुई है ना. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू हेल्प यू विथ. एक होती है चीज, एक होती है उसका यूज, है ना. सो सेल फोन इज अ नाउन, बैंक इज अनदर नाउन. व्हाट डू यू डू इन द बैंक? यू डिपॉजिट मनी, यू विड्रॉ मनी, है ना. सो दीज आर दी एक्टिविटीज. तो वो दो चीजें हमने साथ में समझनी है, ठीक है. सो दैट्स व्हाट वी आर ट्राइंग. ठीक है वंशिका. Vanshita. Yes, Vanshita. Thanks for your participation. Next to Vanshita, we have Dhaval. Dhaval, do we have Dhaval?
Yes, sir.
Dhaval, what's your object?
Sir, my object is laptop where I do programming and watch movies and play games.
Okay, so laptop is an object. You play, you watch, you do coding, programming, right? So all the activities that you do. So wonderful. Thank you, Dhaval. So that was Dhaval with us. Then we have Shivani Ba. Shivani Ba Bhatti, are you there? Shivani Ba? Are you there, Shivani Ba? Okay, fine. I don't think she's there. Okay, do we have Jai Dave?
Yes, sir. Can you see me?
No, I can't. If you can show
Now?
me your... Now it's visible. Yes. Tell me what's your object.
First of all, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
As you said, I have a book on my hand from which I'm used to read it. What is important for me in the future, in the present as well.
Okay, so object is book. What you do with
Yes.
read.
Reading.
Why reading?
Yes, read.
You also explain why you read, to see future. That's true. Reading
Yes.
can show you the future. So wonderful.
Yes.
Yes, thank you, Jay. Anything
Okay,
else?
thank you so
want to
much,
share?
sir.
Sure. Thank you, Jay. So that was
Yes,
Jay
thank you so
with
much,
his
sir.
book. So after Jay, we have Priyanshu. Do you have Vadir Priyanshu? Vadir Priyanshu,
Yes,
are
sir.
you there?
Yes.
Yes, Priyanshu. What's your object?
My object is box.
Okay, what do you do with the box?
Put many items in this box is my laptop box.
Okay. So now you don't put laptop in the box?
Yes.
Do you put laptop in the box?
Yes.
Okay, then you don't have a bag for that?
No.
Okay, you still use the box for keeping your laptop.
Laptop. Yes.
Yes. So there is a one verb you rightly use, put. You put things in it. One. Second, you store. Store. So you store your books, you store your clothes, you store your laptop. So that's also a verb, to store and to put, right? So these are two more words that you can use for your box. So you can store, you can put things in it. So that's what you do. So thank you. Now we have Vivek. Do we have Vivek Gupta? Yes, thank you, Jai. Then we have Vivek. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Vivek. What's your object? Tell me fast.
Sir, my objective is bottle.
Bottle. Yes, bottle. बोतल जो है वो हिंदी वर्ड होता है.
Water.
English word is bottle.
Water.
Yes, जी bottle. What do you do with the bottle? जी.
I used to drink water.
Used to drink water. ठीक है. और क्या करते हो बॉटल से बताओ? किसी को मारते हो कभी? कभी मारते हो किसी को?
No.
ये कांच की है कि प्लास्टिक की है बताओ?
प्लास्टिक बोतल.
तो प्लास्टिक तो मार सकते हो, कांच टूट जाता है, प्लास्टिक टूटेगा नहीं.
सर तो किसी को मारते नहीं है.
पक्का नहीं मारते हो?
नहीं सर, बोतल से तो नहीं, और कुछ से मार सकते हैं लेकिन बोतल नहीं.
अच्छा, भाई बहन से पूछना पड़ेगा, वो मारते तो नहीं इससे?
सर मेरा बात भाई है, बहन नहीं है. भाई से पूछ लीजिएगा.
तो दोस्तों से मारते हो, किसको मारते हो बताओ?
सर बोतल से किसी को नहीं मारे अभी तक.
नहीं मारे हो तो कभी ट्राई करना, अच्छा लगेगा. जिसको मारोगे उसको भी अच्छा लगेगा, क्योंकि लगता नहीं है, सिर्फ आवाज आती है ना, धड़ाम से. चलिए. सो नाउ विवेक ने जो वर्ड यूज करा है फॉर वाटर. सो वाटर का क्या करोगे आप? यू ड्रिंक वाटर, राइट? बॉटल से यू ड्रिंक वाटर. ये एग्जांपल विवेक ने दिया हमें. नाउ प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, आर यू श्योर यू ड्रिंक वाटर और डू यू टेक वाटर? विवेक?
यस सर.
पानी को क्या करते हो? डू यू ड्रिंक वाटर और डू यू टेक वाटर?
ड्रिंक वाटर सर.
ड्रिंक पक्का?
यस सर.
अच्छा बताओ, चाय पीते हो?
यस सर.
अच्छा तो बताओ, यू ड्रिंक टी और यू टेक टी?
टेक टी.
तो उसमें ड्रिंक क्यों नहीं करते हो? चाय भी पी सकते हो ना?
यस सर.
तो उसमें ड्रिंक टी क्यों नहीं करते हो? है ना, समझो. नेक्स्ट, इट्स नॉट ओनली फॉर विवेक, इट्स फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस. अच्छे से समझो. फॉर वाटर, फॉर टी, ऑल दीज थिंग्स आप पीते हो हिंदी और गुजराती में, बट यू डोंट यूज वर्ब ड्रिंक फॉर वाटर एंड फॉर टी एंड फॉर एनी अदर बेवरेजेस, है ना. व्हाट वी आर ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड हियर इज द वर्ड्स, स्पेशली द वर्ब्स. कि देखो, ड्रिंक का मतलब पीना होता है. डिक्शनरी देखोगे उसमें बताएगा ड्रिंक मतलब पीना, बट यू नेवर यूज ड्रिंक फॉर टी और फॉर वाटर, because the verb, जो verb है, action verb है ड्रिंक, is closely associated with alcohol, है ना. उसकी वजह से you don't use drink as a verb with any other say beverages other than alcohol. alcohol मतलब दारू. so दारू जो है उसके साथ the verb drink associated है closely. that's why you use take, that I take water from my bottle. I had water. have और take ये दो चीजें हैं खाने और पीने के लिए. You don't use eat and drink for eating and drinking. What we are trying to understand here is usage, है ना. मुझे पता है, suppose निसार आलम दीपक जो हिंदी की बात कर रहे थे, उनको भी पता है कि भाई ड्रिंक क्या होता है ना, ईट क्या होता है। जो हम सीखने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं वो ये है, दैट यू नो द वर्ब एंड यू ऑल्सो नो कि कहाँ उसको यूज करना है, कहाँ नहीं करना है ना। सो फॉर वाटर, जब भी आप लेते हो चाय पानी, वो क्या करोगे आप, यू टेक वाटर, यू टेक टी, है ना। आज सुबह मैंने चाय पी, तो कैसे कहोगे, आई टुक टी इन द मॉर्निंग। यू डोंट से आई ड्रैंक टी इन द मॉर्निंग। ग्रामेटिकली करेक्ट है, ड्रिंक का पास्ट टेंस ड्रैंक हुआ और आई ड्रैंक टी इन द मॉर्निंग, बट यूसेज मतलब उपयोग जो है ड्रिंक का पीने के लिए नहीं होगा, अल्कोहल को छोड़ के। सो वो अल्कोहल से क्लोजली एसोसिएटेड है, एंड दैट्स व्हाई वी डोंट यूज द वर्ब अल्कोहल फॉर दिस। ठीक है, सो दैट्स द डिफरेंस दैट वी नीड टू हैव। कैन आई बोरो वन पेन? ओके सर जी, ठीक है। सो दैट्स द डिफरेंस between drink and eat. So please do that, and I'm sure it will help you. Right, Vivek? So with Vivek's
Yes, sir.
example, we discovered 2 more words. जो हमने गलती करी, और ये ऐसा नहीं कि गलती है, ये यूसेज है। हम पूरे इंडिया में आई थिंक ये वर्ड कॉमन है, कॉमनली यूज होता है कि आई ड्रिंक वाटर, मगर वो ड्रिंक नहीं होगा। ग्रामेटिकली देखिए वो सही है ना, मगर यूसेज जो है उसमें वो गलत होगा। वो होगा आई टेक टी, आई से हैड वाटर, और आई took water. ठीक है, so that's what you need to remember. चलिए, we'll take 1 or 2. I don't know what time is it. What time is it?
150.
150 है। So
150.
ठीक है, so I'll still have 1 or 2 turns. हम एक या दो जन के साथ बात कर पाएंगे। So list में I could see Bhakti. Do we have Bhakti?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Bhakti. So what's your object, Bhakti?
Sir, can you see me?
Yes, I can see you. If you can show the object that you would like to share.
Yes, sir. I have key with me. I use it to lock the door.
Yes, key with which you lock it, right? You can also use it to scratch. You can also use it to play with it, right? So all those things are there. But the usage of a key is to lock, right? So that's true. So thank you, Bhakti. So her object was key and the usage was to lock. Okay, so after Bhakti we have Ronak. Do we have Ronak? Ronak, are you there? Ronak? नहीं है, ठीक है। Do we have Yusuf Rashid? Yusuf Rashid, are you there? Yusuf Rashid?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
जी, if you can show me one object. First of all, आपका वीडियो दिखाइए।
Yeah, 1 minute.
Sure. So this is Yusuf Rashid, right? Which is your first name, Yusuf ki Rashid? What's your name? Hello.
Yusuf, sir.
Yusuf is your name. Yes, Yusuf. So what's your object? आपका object क्या होगा? Yes, Yusuf. हाँ जी, ये क्या है?
Sir, it's a power bank.
Okay, it's a power bank. उससे क्या करते हो?
And I charge my device.
Yes, I charge my device. So object हुआ power bank or a battery or USB battery. There are many names of it. What do you do with it? You charge your cell phone or any other
I
device.
charge.
Yes, you charge yourself or your cell phones?
No, my cell phone, sir.
Your cell phone. Okay. So that's Yusuf. Thank you, Yusuf. So after Yusuf, we have.
Yeah, welcome.
Sure. Krishna Rajan or Ranjan. Sorry, Krishna Ranjan. Is it Krishna or Krishna? I don't know.
Yes, sir.
Is it Krishna or Krishna?
Krishna.
Is it a male name or a female name?
Male name.
ठीक है, सो कैसे बोलते हो, कृष्ण के कृष्णा?
Krishna.
ठीक है, सो क्या मतलब होता है उसका?
I don't know, sir.
अच्छा, कृष्णा नहीं पता होगा। एक बड़े से आदमी थे जो बंसुरी बजाते रहते थे, उसका नाम भी कृष्णा था, तो वही तो नहीं हो आप?
Well, no,
वही,
sir.
वो तो नहीं हो ना? ठीक है, तब ठीक है ना? सो व्हाट
No.
इज the correct pronunciation of the Lord Krishna is Krishna. When you say Krishna, it's a female name. और महाभारत में दो कैरेक्टर थे, एक था कृष्ण, एक थे कृष्णा। कृष्णा कौन थे?
Oh, Lord Krishna.
हाँ जी, लॉर्ड कृष्ण देव तो कृष्ण थे, है ना? और उसकी एक फ्रेंड थी, है ना? वो फ्रेंड कौन थी जिसको उसने हेल्प करी थी? वो थी कृष्णा। एक ही कैरेक्टर था महाभारत में जो कृष्ण को फ्रेंड बुलाता था, और वो लड़की कौन थी? द्रौपदी। द्रौपदी का दूसरा
Yes, sir.
नाम कृष्णा है ना? क्योंकि वो कृष्ण की फ्रेंड थी, इसलिए कृष्णा कहते हैं, सखी कहते थे, है ना? सो दैट्स द फीमेल नेम,
Yes.
राइट? सो ये है। सो योर
Okay,
नेम
sir.
शुड बी मस्कुलाइन बिकॉज यू आर अ बॉय, आई थिंक, सो इट विल बी कृष्ण,
Yes,
है ना?
sir.
तो कृष्णा बुलाते हैं अंग्रेजी वाले, बट दैट्स नॉट द करेक्ट प्रोनाउंसिएशन। ठीक है कृष्ण। सो वेयर इज योर ऑब्जेक्ट? आई कांट सी यू। जी कृष्ण जी, दर्शन दीजिए हमें, बताइए आपका ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है? ये क्या है?
Sir, this is my study table.
Okay, study table. Okay, is it a table or a desk?
No, sir, it's table, small.
It's a small table. Okay, उसको बेड पर रख सकते हो?
Yes, sir.
इतना छोटा है ना? हाँ, तो
Yes,
बच्चा
sir.
फिर वो टेबल नहीं हुआ, उसको डेस्क कहते हैं। डेस्क पता है?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
बेंच, जी, बेंच जिस पे ऊपर आप बुक रखते हो उस चीज को भी डेस्क कहते हैं। और ये छोटा सा टेबल जो है, दैट्स आल्सो
Yes,
कॉल्ड
sir.
डेस्क, है ना? इट्स नॉट अ टेबल, इट्स अ डेस्क। और क्या करते हो डेस्क पे, बताओ? खाना
I
खाते हो?
used to keep books. Oh, no, sir.
तो कभी
I
कभी बुक
used to
रखते हो
keep
ना?
books on its.
अच्छा, कभी कभी बुक
No,
रखते
sir.
हो, ज्यादातर क्या करते हो? खाते हो?
No, sir. Its main purpose is to keep books on it, and I
अच्छा,
study.
ओके ओके, तो
I
वही
used
करते
to
हो।
practice problems.
ठीक है, यू प्रैक्टिस प्रॉब्लम्स, वंडरफुल वंडरफुल, so good. You take it to rest on it, you can take it to say do these things. So that's wonderful. Krishna, thank you for sharing your views and opinion with us. So आज की एक्टिविटी में what did you learn? You learned so many words. I tried to give you so many other related words, related verbs, activities जो करते हैं. So there are different things like drink and take, like listen and hear, like see, watch. ठीक है, so all these are closely associated work. So what I would recommend to all of you is you should have a good book called dictionary. All of you, make sure that you have a good dictionary with you, right? You can have it in your cell phone also, you can have it a hardbound dictionary also, but you make sure you have a dictionary, and you make sure you use dictionary almost every day. Wherever you can, wherever you are in doubt, consult your dictionary. ऐसा होगा, ऐसा guess करके चलना मत. If you do it, it will be a problem, especially in English, right? So make sure that you have a dictionary with you, and make sure that you make a habit of using it regularly. ठीक है? You can use Oxford, you can use Cambridge, you can use Orient, Longman, right? Initially, you can also use bilingual dictionary, that is Hindi or English ki, Gujarati or English ki, you can use initially. Once you are confident, then you should go for international publications like Oxford, Orient, Longman, Cambridge, right? Or Merriam-Webster. These are some of the very good publications of dictionaries. So wo use kariye, that will be very nice. Okay? So that's all from today. I'll very quickly take your attendance. So pay attention when I'll call your name, and then I'll be calling all of you one by one. So just give me a minute. Yes. Okay. Ravi Kumar. Do you have Ravi Kumar? This is first of all IT class. Ravi Kumar is there? Ravi Kumar is not there. ठीक है. Do we have Ramji Kumar? Ramji Kumar, are you there? No. Do we have Jai Dobaria?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so we have that. So then we have Rakesh Kushwaha. Rakesh Kumar Kushwaha? No. Do we have Janish Patel or Janisha?
Present, sir.
Sure. Guddu Kumar. Ashutosh Kumar Tiwari? नहीं है. Hariom Kumar. Okay. Harshvardhan Soni? No. Abhishek Kumar Tiwari? Abhishek Kumar? No. Sonu Kumar? Manish Kumar? Okay. Brij Parekh?
Present, sir.
Sure. Abhishek Raj?
Abhishek Raj present, sir.
Okay. Shivani Ba Bhatti?
Present, sir.
Okay, Shivani Ba is there. ठीक है. Then
Ravi Kumar
Dave.
present, sir.
Which
Yes,
Ravi
sir.
Kumar?
Present, sir. Right away, present, sir.
Sure. Ravi Kumar, is a first name, so make sure that you are attending it
Sir, I have a
carefully.
question,
Right?
sir.
Just
Ravi
a
Kumar
minute.
present, sir.
Fine, but Ravi Kumar, make sure that you are attending and paying attention next time. Okay. Chaliye. So that was Ravi Kumar. Then we have Jai is there, I think. Okay. Dhaval Bhatti.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Krishna
Yes, sir.
Krishna Khoot. Okay. Then we have Ravi Rathod.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do we
Yes,
have?
sir.
Yes, sure. Miraj.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then Rohit Kumar.
Present, sir.
Okay.
Present,
Ankit.
sir.
Sure. Ankit Kumar. Ankit Kumar is not there. Rishi Raj, are you there? Rishi Raj? No. Animesh Raj? No. Rakesh Kumar Shah? are you there? No. Okay. Do we have Nikhil Nigam? Nikhil Nigam Sharma, yes. Okay, then we have Vishal Kumar. Okay. Awadh.
Present, sir.
Vishal Kumar is present?
Present, sir.
Okay, sure. Do we have Awadh?
Present, sir. Present.
Sure. Prince Prasad? Prince Kumar Prasad? No. Girdhar Kumar? Pankaj Kumar? No. Deepak Anand?
Yes, sir. Present, sir.
is there.
Deepak Anand.
जी. Mahadev Kumar?
Ravi Kumar present, sir.
अब कितनी बार अटेंडेंस लोगे? एक बार तो ली आपकी. रवि कुमार ना?
जी.
जी, आपका हो गया रवि जी. चलिए. महादेव कुमार. वीनस यादव.
Yes, sir. Present, sir.
ठीक है. प्रियांशु वाडेर.
Yes, sir. Yes.
विवेक गुप्ता.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
अक्षय कुमार.
Sir,
Yes, अक्षय कुमार इज देयर? नहीं है. ठीक है. नवनीत कुमार. सम्मी अख्तर.
present, sir.
जी. Then हेत मुंजपरा.
Present, sir.
Okay. Okay. Sarjil Juneja. Sarjil नहीं है. Okay. Bhakti Dave.
Yes, sir.
Okay. खेलन सेखड़ा. Khelan Sekhda, are you there? Okay. Ronak Babaria?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Yusuf?
Sir,
Yusuf?
Present, sir.
Okay. Yusuf is there. Okay. Then Nihal Satoria? Nihal Satoria?
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Okay. Then we have Hinal. Yes, that's Hinal. Sorry. Okay. Kishan Hirani?
Present, sir.
Okay. Then we have Raj Shah. Raj, are you there? No. Samarth Kular. No. Krishna Ranjan.
Present, sir.
Ji. Then
Present,
Vishal Kumar. Ji. Vishal Kumar.
Present, sir.
Okay. Then we have Harsh.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Sure. Then we have Deep Patel.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Sure. Jeel Vadodaria.
Present, sir.
Okay. And
Present, sir.
Vishal Panseria.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we have Kishan Bhimani.
Yes, sir.
Sure. Then
Yes,
we
sir.
have, Nisar Alam.
Present, sir.
तो निसार जी आज कैसा लगा?
अच्छा लगा।
तो ठीक समझ में आ रहा है कि बिल्कुल नहीं आ रहा है?
आ रहा है समझ में,
है ना? थोड़ी अंग्रेजी दिक्कत होगी बट छोड़ना मत, ठीक है?
ओके सर।
जी ऑल द बेस्ट। ओके अरविंद गुप्ता।
थैंक यू सर।
जी अरविंद गुप्ता। नो। सुनील यादव नहीं है। स्मित जोशी। ओके आदित्य नकुम। ठीक है। नाउ I'll take other attendance of electrical separately. I think I have.
सर मेरा नाम नहीं आया।
जी एक मिनट चलो इलेक्ट्रिकल वालों का we have जिगर just a minute
Yes, sir.
Jigar, do we have Jigar James?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we have Poojan Donga.
Yes, sir. Present.
Divya Raj.
Present, sir.
Parmar. Okay. Puneet Kumar Pal.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है। अभिजीत चौहान।
Present, sir.
अभिजीत चौहान are you there?
सर पुनीत कुमार
है, वो ठीक है, मगर अभिजीत चौहान नहीं है।
सर IT प्रशांत राजपूत।
अभी एक मिनट ठहरो, पहले इलेक्ट्रिकल हो जाने दो, आपके पास भी आता हूँ। ओके वंशिका परमार ठीक है। नाउ एनीबडी एल्स फ्रॉम इलेक्ट्रिकल?
Yes,
there are 7
sir.
students. Dia, tell me your complete name. Dia what? Electrical.
Victoria.
Dia.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है। Okay, next.
सर विवेक गुप्ता।
ना इलेक्ट्रिकल पहले इलेक्ट्रिकल फिर IT में भी लेता हूँ आपके अटेंडेंस। इलेक्ट्रिकल में और कोई है? इलेक्ट्रिकल में there are now 8 students.
पुनीत कुमार का हो गया है।
पुनीत कुमार पाल हो चुके हैं। और बताइए इलेक्ट्रिकल में कोई नहीं है ना? ठीक है। नाउ कम बैक टू IT. ओके IT में कौन है?
प्रशांत राजपूत।
Okay, मेरे पास जो लिस्ट सुनो ऐसे करोगे तो नहीं होगा। सुनो हेमंत कुमार है।
यस सर।
ठीक है।
प्रेजेंट सर। हेमंत कुमार।
पुनीत कुमार भी है, ठीक है। और प्रशांत राजपूत भी है।
यस सर।
ठीक है। हेमंत कुमार आ चुके हैं, ठीक है। उसके बाद
हेमंत कुमार प्रेजेंट सर।
भैया हो गया, आपका हो गया, बार मत बोलिए, ठीक है। वंशिका परमार भी है। देन अजय सिंह IT में। अजय सिंह
सर कैन वी लीव?
जो जिनका हो चुका है दे कैन लीव। ओके दीपक कुमार गिरी आर यू देयर?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Present, sir.
ठीक है. Dharmil Hirani is there. Dharmil Hirani.
Present, sir.
Okay.
Present, sir.
Sure. Then we have Diya Vekaria is there. Then Diviraj Parmar is also there. Jigar James is also there. Poojan Donga is also there. Dharmil Hirani is there. Ravi Kumar is also there. ठीक है. Now बताइए if anybody who's जिसका नाम आया ही नहीं.
विकास कुमार.
विकास कुमार, what's your number? आपका नंबर क्या है?
एक मिनट सर.
Is it 6051?
सर एक मिनट प्लीज वेट.
जी. उसके अलावा कोई है? विशाल कुमार.
फिचड़िया हर्ष प्रेजेंट.
फोन नंबर हेलो.
जी बताइए. विवेक
200 10 16027.
16027.
हाँ.
जस्ट अ मिनट. आप इलेक्ट्रिकल में हो कि आईटी में हो?
आईटी में सर.
ठीक है तो रुको. हाँ बोलो क्या नाम है आपका?
विकास कुमार.
विशाल के विकास. ओके विकास कुमार. और आपका नंबर क्या है?
200 10 16 027.
ठीक है. And you are from electrical के IT?
IT.
ठीक है.
सर विवेक गुप्ता देखिए.
So that's Vikas is done.
ओके सर.
और कौन बोले? विवेक गुप्ता. हाँ विवेक गुप्ता हो गया आपका तो हो गया. विवेक गुप्ता 36 राइट? विवेक गुप्ता 36.
यस सर 36.
हाँ जी आप जा सकते हैं. हाँ
सर हर्ष फिचड़िया.
हर्ष फिचड़िया डन. हर्ष फिचड़िया हो चुका है.
ओके सर.
You can leave. Yes. Anybody else?
इलेक्ट्रिकल में कितने स्टूडेंट हैं?
Electrical, I think 7 or 8. I don't know. I think 8. Yes.
Sir, I have a question, sir.
Who has a question?
Me.
मी का कुछ नाम होगा ना. बहुत सारे मी हैं. जय बताओ फटाफट बताओ.
Sir, what should we do if we want to speak throughout English, sir? Like you and the bridge, sir, and as well.
The question is, why do you want to speak throughout in English?
Sir, it will help us in future, sir. That's why.
In which part of future? Where do you think you will need to speak in English?
During the engineering and after getting a job.
Yeah, but which part of a job? Who told you that you'll need English for doing job in engineering? You meet some engineers, Jay. What you do is do your homework, right? Because see, looking at Bridge sir or me or anybody who speaks in English, that I want to speak like you is not wrong, but it's like in the wrong direction, right? Because you are looking at me and you want to become an engineer. Neither Bridge sir nor me, we are not engineers, first of all, right? We are language faculties. So if you look at us and you want to become an engineer, do you want to become an English teacher? Then you may look at us, right?
Okay.
So that's why I'm telling you, you talk to engineers, those who are in the field, those who are working. Do they need English or not? First, ask them. Second, what kind of English? In what situations do they need English? Do this homework.
Any kind of, sir, presentation and all, that's why.
Okay, ask those who are making presentations. How many of the times in the month do they have to make a presentation?
Yes.
Once a month, twice a month, and all engineers are not supposed to make presentation. Only one or two CEO or directors will only make presentations. Others will attend the presentation, right? So I don't want to give you a quick fix. That's why I'm telling you, you should be clear. What do you want? Why do you want? And then you can come to me. I'll tell you how can we do that. So first of all, you have three questions: what, why, and how. So what is it that you want, sir? I want to speak fluently in English. Fine. Why? That's the question you need to ask yourself. You need to ask to the engineers, those who are in the field. Okay? So if you ask a general question, you will get a general answer. So ask a specific question, that what kind of English an engineer would need in the field. That kind of English you try and inculcate.
That's a kind of spoken English, like
That's
to be
fine, but
spoken with our
so
colleagues and
engineer,
all, sir.
where engineer is expected to speak in English, right? So that you need to ask. कहते हैं कि अंग्रेजी में बोलना अच्छा है. That's a very generic thing. Ask actual field engineers. It's very easy to find engineers, those who are working in the field, right? Ask them.
Okay, sir.
Do they speak in English first of all? And if yes, to what extent? Right? Are they giving speeches? Are they discussing? So that if it is a clearer picture, you will be in a better position to learn it, right? So that I think should help you. Okay.
Okay,
So
thank you
all
so
the
much,
very
sir.
best for that. See you then.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.